A very important update and deep technical analysis for USDJPY traders and also EURUSD and USDCAD. All of this in this video. Market is about to make a significant retracement on USDJPY and also EURUSD is going to move upward. I'm going to show you that in this very video, and also USDCAD is going to retrace as well all the way to the downside. All of this in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end to get that very in-depth technical analysis. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On USDJPY chart, if you look at this very point, market is going to retrace, okay? And there is no doubt about that. We are going to see retracement, and it's going to be a significant retracement from now moving forward. So from this very point, we have a significant resistance at this very area. And then from here, markets make a little move upward, which is very significant as well. But this was a liquidity grab. So liquidity was taken off the market from this very point. And afterward, what do you expect? Market is going to retrace, especially when liquidity is satisfied. So what I am now expecting on this chart is liquidity satisfaction that will make the market to move downward for a considerable retracement before the next move is going to come in the market for the next weeks and month probably. So what I am expecting right now on the immediate short term on USDJPY 1-day chart is for the market to come back to the downside. So what that means is if you are in a buy position from this very point or from this very area, it is right time for you to collect profit, exit your buy position, because we're going to have a significant drop down. Now, not only that, if you look at this very chart on a broader perspective, you discover that the market moved all the way from here downward. And then when this move happened, we have a retracement right here, and the market come back all the way to the downside. Remember, that is almost exact same point where this retracement occur is where the market is right now at this very point, which means the market have high capacity of moving down from this point to the downside. And that is what you should be expecting right now. So taking a sell position will be a nice thing to do on USDJPY in line with this aggressive downward movement. And this is what you need to pay attention to as well on this very chart. So market is going to come down. Not only that, if you look at this very point, we have this very level of resistance which is playing out right now, but on the stochastic RSI indicator, the market is going to also turn back down, and this movement to the downside is going to further confirm with this stochastic RSI coming out of overbought condition and crossing this 80% line right at this very point. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now and keep your eye on if you are a USDJPY trader. And on the 4-hour chart, look at it. Market is going to come down, guys. It is very, very important for us to know that market is going to come back to the downside. And look at this. Markets have low momentum. At this very point, I talk about this very low momentum. Market is going to come back to the downside for significant what? Retracement before we will see the market move up again. So pay attention to market coming all the way to the downside on USDJPY. So if you're a USDJPY trader, that is a perspective you should be thinking about right now. And for EURUSD, from this very point, market is going to move upward. That is my expectation right now. And notwithstanding, we see that this very stochastic RSI is already at oversold condition at this very point. What that means is market have capacity of moving out of oversold condition very, very soon. Once we see that, the market is going to move upward. So that is what I am also expecting as well, for market to move upward from this very point. And I'm going to hint you guys the best time for you to jump on this very buy opportunity, which is going to come into the market very, very soon on EURUSD. So for EURUSD, prepare for a buy opportunity because market is going to move upward in the next coming days, especially in this very week of trading. And lastly, on USDCAD, I told you guys in this very video that I posted in my last upload that the market is going to have dull momentum approaching this very level of important resistance. And look at it here. Resistance right here is where the market is approaching right now. And this dull momentum is signifying that the bulls are getting tired, moving the market all the way from this very point to this very area, which means very soon market is going to have that very retracement before continuation again all the way to the upside. So what you should be thinking about right now, if you are in a buy opportunity, is to take profit and relax for the market to retrace before considering buying again for the market to move all the way to the upside. And this is very important right now if you are trading USDCAD, because market is going to definitely come back down and then move upward again after retracement. So from this very point, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, we have this very crossover is about to happen on this very blue line and the orange line. Once that's happened, and also we see a cross below this 80% line, like this formation, then the market is going to come back all the way to the downside. And that is what I am also expecting as well. But the most important thing on the overall is that market is going to begin to retrace very, very soon. And lastly, if you look at the 4-hour chart USDCAD, something very important, look at it here. A very, very dull momentum from the bulls. Look at it. From this very area, we are having a choppy market at this very point, which signifies that the buyers are tired and the bulls are going to run out of the market very, very soon for the bears to take over the market all the way to the downside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now on this very chart, CAD 4-hour chart. So this is very important, guys. In-depth analysis, very short, and this is what you need to keep your eye on right now. For USDJPY, the market is going to sell back to the downside, and for EURUSD, market is going to buy very, very soon. And for USDCAD, market is going to come back down for significant retracement. All of this, keep your eye on this, guys, and this is very important. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex analysis. Thanks for watching.